Hey guys, good morning. Good afternoon. I was taking a nap after bathing, then I received a package from VIT. So let me hide my details and address, and I will show you what's inside. In the meanwhile, let me grab my tripod and my mic. So, yeah, let's begin. So this is our package. Here we have VIT stamp and it was a speed post, so I am impressed. And in the back side we have nothing, but yeah, we have nothing. So let me adjust my phone. Yeah, I think I'm visible. Yeah, so even my hairs are not combed because I was sleeping. So let me open this. Oh, we have envelope inside envelope. It's empty. And here we have office of controller of examination, and everything is blank. Registration number, statements and moment of truth. Oops, I mean this. So I think this is transcript, again transcript, provisional letter. Okay, so what is a transcript? Okay, basically it's grade history, and I think it's semester wise. Yeah, computer programming. Okay, so it's name of the subject and what grade I got and what CGP. I think no, GPA is not calculated in every semester. Basically it is the grade history. Here it's written my final CGPA. I hope it's visible. Yeah, 7.85, and the total credits earned and everything. And okay, semester wise mark sheet is also there. Okay, understood. So like these three are total mark sheet, like from sem 1 to sem 8 everything is covered with these 3 pages. And here we have sem wise mark sheet. Till sem 5 we have already got in the college, so I need not to pay anything. But last 4 semester mark sheet I need to pay around 150 per semester, and that too not original, it's like scanned copy. So yeah, only have last 2 semester mark sheet. last semester I had my GPA of 8.32. Here it is written 8.32, and in the last semester I had my GPA of 10. Like almost everyone gets 10 GPA in the last semester. The focus issue in the front cam. And then we have a provisional letter. So what is a provisional letter? Just my name, registration number, my branch, my CGPA, and this is to certify that I have completed all my credits. That means I am eligible for degree. And it's July, I think. Yeah, it's July. So in the August I think convocation might happen, and if we don't go then your degree will be sent like this in the like courier only. And one mistake, or can be said confusion, I did was I collected mark sheet till 5 semester. So I thought we need only 3 semester mark sheet, so I applied, but we had 9 semester. Don't ask me for explanation, but yeah, we had 9 semester. I don't know why, how, or something. So one mark sheet is missed from here, so I need to order it again, pay the delivery charge again. So my 100 rupees are overspent in this confusion. But for the jobs or higher study, these documents are really required, so you need to buy it. Like you can get the original during convocation, but they have not declared the date of the convocation, and you cannot rely on them. Okay, they will inform, they will give, they will delay the process, your job will be down. So it's better to spend, I think, around 1100 or 1200 rupees for this papers. You need to pay obviously, but still your job should be secured. So yeah, that was it. Let me show you from the back cam. So this is Office of Controller of Examination. Nothing has been marked, and if I open it, yes, this is my transcript every semester wise. Like this 3 pages has whole semester, and this is, yeah, this is I think 7th sem 8.32 as I've already said, and the last semester is 10. Oh my god, this tripod. Yeah, and this is transcript that I am eligible for degree. In the meanwhile, let me show you my original mark sheet, which can be present anywhere between them. So let me show you. So this is it. This is official mark sheet from sem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in orange color, and the one I received is just printed on a white paper. So this is the original one. This original one we will get only in the convocation when we will receive our degree, but for jobs company may require it at an earlier stage. That's why I have opted for that hard copy with a college stamp. So just for the comparison, let me put them all aside. So this is the original mark sheet, this is the transcript. Like, this is not original, but this is the printed version along with this sign and logo, and this is simply the printed version. Here you can see unofficial is also written. So this is the original. This you will get for free. If you need this for your job or higher study, you need to pay for it, and this you can print it at your own expense. You will get the PDF. So these three are the three version of the mark sheet. Wow, my life is full of surprises. So in my Wi-Fi the VTOP is not working even if the internet speed is very high, and in my hotspot the VTOP is working. Like, why my Wi-Fi has blocked VTOP website? I know it's not very okay, no comments, but still. So let me sign in into my VTOP and then I will show you how much I need to pay and where did I applied. So this is my payment receipt. I have paid 950 rupees, and since I have forgot my mark sheet, I need to pay 150, that is 300 and 100 rupees for the delivery. So the total cost will be 950 plus 400, that is around 1350 for the mark sheet which I got. And why I have to pay, like in the convocation I will receive the original one, but the convocation date are not announced yet, and it will take at least 1 month for the convocation, but company won't wait for you till a month that you submit your documents and all. So it's to be in safer side, it's good to apply and get it. So yeah, that's all for this video. Yeah, many people were DMing me, bro, why have we stopped uploading video to the YouTube? Like, I am little disappointed. Like, I was little disappointed earlier, so I have quit everything and I am started a new journey from coding and everything. So I have stopped making YouTube video. I was just uploading my old video because to help people. My only motive for the YouTube was to help people. At my time, no, like there were I think only 1-2 YouTuber, but currently there are at least 15-20 YouTuber from VIT Chennai itself. So they are making video, they are helping people. So my job is done because my job is just to help people, and now my time is a little crucial, so I'm not investing much on YouTube. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time. Maybe I will see you next time.